Let me share a story of an excellent housewife और फिर उसके बाद उसका क्या हुआ, ठीक है. She was an excellent daughter-in-law, taking care of her in-laws, खाना पीना उनका, डाइट उनकी, दवाई उनका, वॉक. फिर an excellent wife, हस्बैंड का खाना पीना, टिफ़िन, बैग, जूता, हैंकी, etc. An excellent mother who used to take care of the kids, उनको उठाना, नहलाना, धुलाना, स्कूल लेके जाना, यूनिफॉर्म देखना, होमवर्क देखना, और वो जो एक्स्ट्रा एक्टिविटीज़ होती है, एवरीथिंग. इन शॉर्ट शी वॉज द परफेक्ट हाउसवाइफ. Now suddenly this lady is diagnosed with cancer, okay? And after some months sadly she passes away. आपको पता है उसके बाद क्या हुआ? उसके बाद एक बेबी सिटर को बुलाया, ठीक है. वो बेबी सिटर बच्चों का ध्यान देती थी, उनका खाना पीना, स्कूल, ट्यूशन, होमवर्क एक्सेट्रा. उसके बाद उनके इन लॉज के लिए, हस्बैंड के लिए और सब के लिए खाना बनाने के लिए एक मेड को रख लिया. And after some time, this husband got married. He got a chick, he got married. And see how easily this lady was replaced in the family. So, in short, the moral of the story is that if you're soaking 10 almonds for your kids, soak 10 more for yourself as well. Nobody is going to come and take care of you. When something happens to you, you're going to be the burden. If something happens to them, you're going to take care of them. But if something happens to you, who's going to take care of you? So there is a big question mark over here. When you are going out of your way for them, for उनको क्या पसंद है, इसको किस चीज़ से खुशी मिलेगी, उसको किस चीज़ से खुशी मिलेगी, आपको किस चीज़ से खुशी मिलेगी, वो भी तो सोचो. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has not told you to be empty stomach and then do charity. Allah has told fulfill your needs and then what remains give from that. ठीक है. So in short, it is a simple logic that when you are doing for others, first prioritize yourself. It's not selfishness. Selfishness तब होगा जब आप सिर्फ खुद के लिए करोगे, ठीक है. बादाम भिगा रहे हो, खुद खा रहे हो, दूध उबाल रहे हो, खुद पी रहे हो, फ्रूट काट रहे हो, खुद खा रहे हो. That is called selfish. But taking care of yourself and then taking care of others is called self-love. It's called self-care, which we need. If you are going to prioritize your family, your kids, your husband, your housework, कुछ काम नहीं है तो कपड़े घड़ी कर रहे, आईना पोंछ रहे, सोफ़ा डस्टिंग कर रहे. Do what you love. Take care of yourself. Groom yourself. Take care of your hair, your skin, your body, your weight. That is called love. You have to love yourself, right? If you don't love yourself, who is going to love you? ठीक है. अगर आप खुद पे ध्यान नहीं दोगे तो कौन आप पे ध्यान देगा? In short, it is a very simple thing. You need to think about it again. What I'm saying does make sense. So in short, from tomorrow when you're going to make something, you're going to cook something, इसको ये पसंद है, आपको क्या पसंद है वो भी बना लो. अगर आप किसी के लिए, किसी के सर में तेल डाल रहे हो ना, आपके बाल अच्छे घने हो, आपके भी सर में डाल लो. इफ़ यू आर टेलिंग समवन गो, इट्स टाइम टू गो टू द जिम, यू ऑल्सो गो. इफ़ यू आर टेलिंग योर इन लॉज की यू हैव टू टेक अ वॉक, इट्स गुड फॉर योर हेल्थ, यू ऑल्सो गो एंड टेक अ वॉक. यार, डू अ फेवर ऑन योर सेल्फ. You have to take care of yourself because people are replaced. You cannot be फरिश्ता नहीं बनने आए हो आप यहाँ पे, ठीक है. I'm not telling you don't do things for people, but do it for yourself as well. Now this lady, she only kept doing for others, her family, her kids, her in-laws, her people, her relatives, and in the end her chapter is she's just gone. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, take care of yourself, love yourself. You have to do things that make you happy as well. If you keep living for others, keep on doing it, people are not going to understand कि आप कितना कर रहे हो हमारे लिए, आप खुद के लिए भी कुछ करो, अपने लिए भी टाइम निकालो, जाओ किधर घूम आओ, you know, do what makes you happy. No one is going to say that. You have to do it for yourself. You have to balance that. So in short, it's a very very simple advice. Take care of yourself. If you're too stressed, if you can't understand what's happening, talk to Allah. Talk to Allah like a friend. Make Allah your best friend. You know, tell Allah, आज ये हुआ, वो हुआ, ऐसा हुआ, वैसा हुआ, and see how Allah will guide you. Again, I am not telling you do not do things for people, but here I am telling you, first take care of yourself. When you will be strong, when you will be healthy, when you will be fit, then you will be able to take much better care of your family members. पर आप इतना ओवर कर लोगे, थक जाओगे, फ्रस्ट्रेट हो जाओगे, अग्रेसिव हो जाओगे, एंड फिर रिटर्न में तो वो मिलने वाला है नहीं ना जो आप एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हो. The lucky ones do get it, but most of us, we do not get the appreciation or that respect or that gratitude that we yearn for. Why are you doing all this? You're doing it so that you'll be loved, you will be understood, you will be pampered, you will be taken care of. बट वेन यू डोंट गेट दैट, यू गेट मोर फ्रस्ट्रेटेड. इतना करने के बाद भी मुझे कुछ नहीं मिल रहा है, ऐसा हो रहा है, वैसा हो रहा है. अरे तो कम करो ना, मत करो, इतना ओवर मत करो. और करना है ना, पहले अपने लिए करो और फिर उतना ही सामने वालों के लिए करो.